have any pets? Yes, I have two beautiful dogs, two peaceful and curious. Each one has its own story. The Criolla is scale and I will tell you and lies about her. 12 years ago, I was doing my first communions, cause my brother had given me a pitbull puppy. But he did when he was 18 months old, my sister, and I were live with a great cigar by the death of Rocky's one day before. Taking me to me course my sister queen of an adoption company. So when went to 10 we have not seen her. But at one point she arrived but she has already we adopted my sister had about an adoption campaign so we went to one hand seen her team a boot student. She arrived but she had rallied adopted Ertei on Ustate, Chians, Chirboder, and Wind both, Ian right and T.R. I like the miracle. So when coming, she years to one's adults, her to bride, her to us for adults. Gotti was once to fight saying she is at people and its mother was as a fox. So my brothers and after we was rescue antidote. They were in situation. Luna, her mother, refused to feed her and she did when she was only 2 weeks old. The aunts Irina are me cousin. Donkeys were stolen for months of living with so studied with an Irina.